Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm starting a new project. I recently got this project from one of my clients for which I do wedding invitations, and her child's birthday is coming up, so she asked me to do some clay houses, actually the Disney Pixar Up house. I'm not really sure what it is because I don't really watch Disney, but yeah, she saw my pins in clay and she wanted me to make a prototype for them. So I started off by sketching out the shape of the house and by choosing my color palette, because I will be making about 50 of these. So I had to make a pretty detailed sketch and something that would be easy to make in clay also. So after that, I cut out a stencil. I actually used a linoleum for the stencil, and then I just used that stencil on my clay. So basically, if you want to know more in depth of my process of making clay stuff, I have a video on how to make clay pins. So it's pretty much the same process. You just roll out the clay, you cut out the shape you want, then mold it a bit so it has a nice shape to it, and you leave it to dry for 24 hours. So this is basically what this video is. It's just me working on a project, which is pretty exciting, and although it's a lot of work, I kind of enjoy the process and I can make my clay skills better by doing this. So let me know in the comment section what projects you are working on, or what would you like to work on as an illustrator. This one is pretty fun for me because it kind of takes me out of my just drawing on paper thing, and actually I can make something like a physical good that I can give to people. So yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!